Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be making a wall light for my room. It's a wall sconce that I'm gonna make out of this bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. I will be cutting this bowl in half and I will be using a hot knife for this. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be having a subscriber giveaway soon, so go ahead and check out my other videos and just have fun creating, you guys. It's so much fun to make this, and all the products that I use will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. So here you go, guys. This is what it looks like. I absolutely really love it. I added one for each side of my bed. I love it, love it, love it. I added the gems and it's absolutely beautiful. The light is gorgeous. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cool. So go ahead and try this DIY, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below, and stay tuned for my subscriber giveaway. Bye guys.